Oh hey, welcome to another edition of hand-laid tracks and 3D printed trains with Socrates. Today we're looking at the ACF 5250 hopper car. I saw this nice little hopper car online and found the ARCO Polymers ink had a version of it, so I made that kind. Has some nice hoppers on the top, two-piece, the bottoms hold your nice microtrain couplers and snaps on the bottom. So this is a pretty easy car to color. Pretty much just start it in white, which is the color of the text. In this case I hit a number 3, the N, and then the F for the fill. Turn it to blue, and that almost works. Most of the cars don't have a problem, a few of them do. And you can turn edge detection on, you can just quickly add the two missing letters. Whoops, there's a third letter. And there you go. Just want to make sure that you didn't miss any corners. And it looks pretty good. I made 8 different running numbers, prints in 2 colors, and if you want, it's another obvious, the difference between white and natural. The top is E-Sun white and the bottom is one of the naturals like Sun, Luna, etc. I mean, it has its value if you want a more weathered look. The natural is definitely more weathered, but if you want to see the text better, pure white, like I say, E-Sun's the only one I know of offhand. But you can make yourself a nice simple hopper car, AC 5250, haul around some polymers, make some plastics, save the world from plants. Get it on Colts, make yourself a hopper car, drive it around. Thanks for watching, check it out next time. This was hand-laid tracks and 3D printed trains. Hand-laid tracks and 3D printed trains. Hand-laid tracks, hand-laid tracks, hand-laid tracks, hand-laid tracks, hand-laid tracks and 3D printed trains.